can open these because they... Say hi, little lady. So she's so excited to get her own room. It's dangerous. We have one more package and it's just some pots and pans that I ordered and it looks like everything's in there. Once we move, I'll open it and just double check that it isn't. Oh my goodness. But I'll double check that it is in there once we move because I just don't want to open it right now. We got another package today. I got this sweater in the brown. Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. More packages. Honestly, these come so heavy. I don't know what's in here. These are her crib sheets. Good. They're so pretty. So pretty. Yeah, Layla is learning to sit up and she's doing so well. She's slightly obsessed with this body armor bottle and I think it's the cutest thing in the world because she doesn't even want her toy. She just wants to play with the body armor bottle. Oh, now she has my phone. Can I have that? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. I love it. All of her Christmas ones. This is my favorite. Look how tiny she was. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness, we have
You don't really expect me to take advice about women.
2 more days until we move. I'm so excited. I'm so done with these stairs. I just can't. I'm watching NCS right now. I used to watch this all the time with my mom. And so let's try to see how much I can pack while she takes her nap.
The defining element which separates us from the animals comes directly from this
First, I need to move the couch over here so I can try to clean up and catch a stain. Let's get started. It's moving day. Let's go get the keys. I'm excited. Layla, what are you doing? Stop it. Hi. Layla. Is Daddy making breakfast? She's like...
Oh. What's up, Chunks?
I love it. Literally so much going on that I forgot to film the moving, but it's okay. We're moved in and honestly it's going great. We're waiting for furniture which should be here between Sunday and Monday, hopefully with the weather. Hopefully it's good. We'll see what happens. So this is a little bit of the house right now. This is our couch. Love it. Isn't it wonderful? But at least we have a coffee table. Yeah. She said, give me a grape. You want a grape? No. No, ma'am. You have your own room. You're sleeping so good in it.
Dude, she slept on 4 again. She slept on 4 again. Nothing's bothering her to wake her up at night.
Yeah. Like we're not breathing in the same air as her.
Woof, woof,
Whoa.
woof.
You having a good time? Oh, there goes your elephant. Okay, I'm gonna make some breakfast because Layla just went down for a nap, and so this is the meal that I've been eating like basically every day for breakfast. It is so good and probably my favorite. Okay, breakfast is complete. It looks so good. I have one egg. I actually had to remake it because I dropped the first one on the floor. Avocado toast with bacon and arugula and hot honey, and then some gravy.